Just listen to her. Try to understand where she's coming from. Try to understand what it is that she needs from you. And just being present with her and getting her to talk and spending an hour or so when you get home, even though you're tired, you might have other things you want to do, or you might want to catch up on sports or watch some TV or play some video games or whatever happens to be that you do. It's just focus on her. Get her to talk. Get her to open up. Because that's going to make her feel like you care. And if you actually sit there and listen and repeat some of it back to her as she's sharing it, that's going to make her feel like, wow, he's actually listening to me. He actually seems to care. And then when you're having fun and you're joking around, it's like after the kids go to bed, you can have a glass of wine. And just look for the signs that are in the book that she's ready to be touched, ready to be kissed, just like you're on a date. Remember, hang out, have fun while you're hanging out, and then hook up when the signs are there. The hookup comes at the end. And most of the guys in this situation are bitching and complaining because they're not getting laid. We got to open her up. When you open her up, then the legs will open. If you don't take the time to open her up, the legs are going to stay closed. And eventually she's going to tap out and give up.